nominative. Die Familie. Die Mutter, der Vater, der Sohn und die Tochter wohnen in Berlin. Die Eltern haben 2 Kinder, eine Tochter und einen Sohn. So, a family in Berlin, and the subject of a sentence is identified by asking wer or was, who or what, who does what, and who or what is that. That's how one finds the subject element in a sentence. In this case, wer wohnt or who lives in Berlin? Die Familie wohnt in Berlin. The family is obviously the subject in this case. And in other words, die Mutter, der Vater, der Sohn und die Tochter. So all these nouns are in the nominative case in this passage. The family members are the subject of this particular sentence. Now look at the same lines with the indefinite article mentioned earlier. Eine Mutter, ein Vater, ein Sohn und eine Tochter wohnen in Berlin. The article endings remained the same e or e ending in die und eine, and the masculine nominative singular ein Vater, ein Sohn. Neuter, nominative singular, das Problem, ein Problem. Definite article das, indefinite ein. There is no s ending, you notice, in the indefinite article, but there is one in the definite one, das. So here we have the declension chart for definite, indefinite, and possessive articles in the nominative case. They all have the same endings, and you see the masculine, feminine and neutral. Der nette Mann, ein netter Mann. Notice the R ending. At the end of net, mein netter Mann, dein, sein, and unser netter Mann all go by the same declension. Feminine, die nette Frau. Eine nette Frau, again the E ending for feminine, both on the article, the indefinite article ein, and on the adjective. The same for the possessives as before. And lastly, neutral, das nette Kind, ein nettes Kind. You know, the S ending on nettes, because ein, the indefinite article, doesn't give enough information on case. So here we have the declension chart for definite, indefinite, and possessive articles for you to study, and don't forget also to do your reading and to review. So as you notice, German possessive articles or possessive pronomen have the same endings as indefinite articles, and as I just said, review your charts in your grammar books. The nominative case is the sentence subject, be it a person or thing. The third person personal pronouns we studied in Module 1, which are er, sie, es, refers to persons, but can also refer to things. So er, sie, es substitute for all der, die, das nouns, respectively, and can be the equivalent of the English it. So is das dein Mantel? Is that your coat? Ja, das ist er. Yes, it is he. In English, that sounds really strange. In German, it's totally grammatically correct. Das ist er, der Mantel.